Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by making sure your Pixel 8 is updated and Magic Editor is available. This prevents missing features. Open the Photos app, pick the image, then tap Edit and choose Magic Editor. Once the workspace loads, duplicate the photo or back it up so you can always revert. Next, scan the image to identify faces, subjects, and background layers. This initial scan informs the suggested edits. Make sure to allow a few seconds for the model to process before you proceed. Once done with the initial scan, use the suggested variants to explore quick replacements and repositioning. They save time. If the auto mask isn't perfect, switch to manual brush mode and refine edges around hair, reflections, or thin objects. Precision here preserves realism. Adjust lighting and color sliders to match foreground and background. This avoids floating subjects. Use the split view to compare original versus edit, and cycle through variants to pick the most natural result before finalizing. You're almost done. Choose Save or Export and pick resolution and format that fit your use. Before closing, zoom in and inspect seams, shadows, and edge blending. Subtle shadow painting or warmth adjustments can sell the edit. If you see artifacts or haloing, undo the last action, refine the mask, or perform the change in smaller increments rather than a single big transform. If things still go wrong, revert to the duplicate backup and retry with different variant or manual masking settings.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.